you a quick video on how to replace one of these indicator stalks on your Honda Civic. This is more for a 95 to 2000 model. It's quite a simple approach. It just requires a screwdriver just to take the cowling out, which is very easy to take out. I'm not going to take it out now because I've actually got a replacement here. I'm going to show you how to do it from this point of view. This is my replacement. And I'll show you, because it's very lot simpler to see from the back and to the front rather than me having to get round a steering wheel. But just take the cowling off, very simple, two bits, top and bottom. Underneath you've got, you can just see that, you've got crosshead screwdriver, so you've got 1, 2 and see if you can see that. There we go, and 3 there, and that's pretty much, and that comes straight off. And what you're faced with, if you can just see that, is that which is attached so you underneath your steering wheel. But you don't have to take the whole thing off. You can actually just replace the stalks themselves, which is just requires a bit of patience, smaller crosshead screwdriver. And removing the connectors, which I'll show you in the next take. So on this bit, by this point you've took the cowling off, and you'll be faced with this. Obviously you've got the steering wheel and the steering column coming through, but behind it you've got the indicator side and the light control side, and behind it you've got 4 connectors. So basically what you do, whichever side you're replacing, you have to take the connectors out first. So very easy. You can see, just try and get it so you can see it there. You just pull it. These are quite stiff, but you just persevere, they will come out. So just go straight back in again. Same with that one, just pulls out, straight back in again. On the other side you've got a bigger, this is the indicator side. That's nice, the light side, and you got a bigger connector there. That just comes straight out like that. Obviously these wires are attached, and on that one just comes from that point. Yeah, that one just pulls out as well. So the indicator's out. So basically the next step, you've got 2 screws there, 1, 2 on the other side, 1, 2. And the idea is to undo them, and this unit should slide out. Right, so all you need is a posi drive crosshead screwdriver. Just take them out. Obviously keep your screws safe because these are quite unique. If you lose them, they're hard to replace. And basically you might have to just lever it out a little bit, and that just comes out straight away like that. And you'd buy that unit on its own, and obviously to replace it is the same way. So you just put in, get your new replacement, put it in, get your screws back in, do it up, and there it is. Put your connectors back in, which are at the back, that would just be the dangling there, and just put them straight back in. Put your cowling straight on, top and then bottom, screw them in, and that'd be it. And it's the same for the other side as well. Just undo it, prise it out, replace it, job done. So and that's pretty much how to replace your indicator stalk, or your light stalk, control stalk, whatever you want to call it, on a Honda Civic 95 to 2001 model. Hopefully this helps you. These do have a habit of going, so yeah, there's a good chance if you've got an old Civic you might want to think them out. It's a good chance you're going to end up replacing them. So hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.